Hey guys, the product which I have today is the universal strobe lights, and these lights are actually bike lights which you can use to light up your things or put it in a bike or a bicycle to look great. And you can see these lights are really portable lights, comes with a USB type C port also which you can use it to charge. It also comes with this padded sticker so you can stick it up anywhere, and also it comes with rubber bands. Obviously you can put the rubber bands and stick it up in your bike or cycle. So there are two rubber bands which it comes with, and obviously this is available in the Amazon. And these lights are really great. So if I light up the light, I need to press the button and obviously the light will light up. So there are many variants of the light, and if I press it, you can see this is the ambulance variant, this is the strobe lights, and obviously there are other colors which you can use. So very good, if you are using it on your bike or bicycle, this will light up your ride and obviously your bike or bicycle will look great. So there are different colors, there are steel modes also like this, and obviously there are this blue color which looks really good, and there are other colors also like this one. The white one also looks good, and obviously there is this beautiful pink one which looks absolutely beautiful. So you can use them to light up things and stick it up on your helmet or anywhere to make your helmet look good. So there are many variants of the light which you can use, and here you can see this is a multi variant which you can use. Obviously this is a green, blue, yellow, pink, red, all color variant which looks really good. So there are multiple pieces of light which I have purchased 4 on the go, and you can purchase it too to light your vehicles or light your show pieces or anywhere, or you can use it in your video also. If you are giving a product tour, it will be in the background. If I focus on the product, it will give a glow which will look good on the background. So obviously these lights are really looking good, and you can purchase it from Amazon only. And to switch it off, you can press and hold the button and it will switch the light off. So these lights are available in the Amazon, and you can purchase them from Amazon only. I will leave the link in the description, and it will look good if you are setting up for a really lighting ride. So that's it guys, I hope you have liked this video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel and hit that bell notification up, because I will be making more videos like this. So thank you guys, have a great day. Thank you.